All right, Chapter 11, Lesson 10, we're going to convert metric units of length. The metric system is a decimal system of measurement. To convert metric units, we're going to multiply or divide by powers of 10. And I think we were practicing powers of 10 back in Chapter 2 or 3. And I know we've just reviewed it again in Chapter 6, I think. So, all right, let's begin. It says one of the largest recorded pythons measured 7.3 meters long. What is the length of the python in centimeters? Since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, we're going to multiply 7.3 times 0. Well, if we know that we have 7.3 and we're going to multiply it by 100, we're going to hop that decimal 2 places to the right, which is going to get us 730. 730. Now I can also show it to you another way. Okay, let's do 100 times 7.3. 100 times 3 is 300. Placeholder. 7 times 100 is 7,000. So we have 7,300. And we've got 1 digit behind a decimal. Okay, we've got a 3 behind the decimal. So that means we hop our decimal over and we put it right there. So we have 730. So 7.3 meters is 730 centimeters. So the python is 730 centimeters long. Now, let's make a note. Let's see, right up here. Let's make a note. Remember, if we're moving larger to smaller, we're going to multiply. If we're moving from a smaller unit to a larger unit of measure, means we're going to divide. And if I were you, I would write this down. I would also tab this page. I know you guys, I've said it before, but especially when it comes to our measurement units, it's just a lot to remember. So if you can tab those pages, and then you can quickly flip right there. So let's look. It says 1 centimeter is the same as 10 millimeters. 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters or 1,000 millimeters, because remember, we're going to multiply and divide by powers of 10. So we're moving from a larger unit to a smaller unit, which means we're going to multiply by 10, which picks up a 0. Okay? Same with kilometer, larger unit, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Okay? And then these are just some examples. A millimeter is about the thickness of a dime. A centimeter is about the width of your pinky finger. 1 meter is about the height of a doorknob. And a kilometer is about 6 city blocks. Okay? All right, let's look at example number 2. It says Rashonda has 50 dominoes. Each domino is 4 centimeters long. She lines them up end to end as shown. How many meters long is the line of dominoes? So we're going to find the length in centimeters. So 50 times 4 centimeters is, well, 4 times 5 is 20. How many zeros are on our factors? 1, so we need a 0 on our product. So 50 dominoes times 4 centimeters is 200 centimeters. But that's not what they want to know. They want to know how many meters is that. So we're going to convert 200 centimeters to meters. So we're going to convert 200 centimeters to meters. Since 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, we're going to divide 200 by 100. So let's rewrite that. 200 divided by 100 is 2. Now look at this little helpful hint over here, you guys. It says to divide by 10, 100, and 1,000, cross out the same number of zeros in both the dividend and the divisor. So we have a 0 here, a 0 here, a 0 there, a 0 there. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Okay? So 200 centimeters is equal to 2 meters. So the line of 50 dominoes is 2 meters long. Thanks for watching.